Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart Wallpaper Engine. Now there's multiple ways to go about this. The first thing I suggest you do is just come here at the bottom right, click on this icon. I'll show you the task tray icons, and then I want you to just go ahead and right click on this one right here. This is Wallpaper Engine, and then I want you to click here on quit. Now to actually start it again, you can either come here to your search bar and then you just type in Wallpaper Engine just like that, and then you click on open, or what you could do is open it from your shortcut on your desktop. And the last way is to come here to Steam. You'll see it here in the library, and then you can just go ahead and click on it and then click on launch and then click on play right there. And as you can see, it is currently launching and it will go ahead and start up just like that. And it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.